Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. First video you ever see me cooking. And my wife is like, thank you, you finally cooking again. I don't cook that often. Anyway, so this is a recipe that I saw on the internet. And I thought, well, let's try it out and see if we choke to death and die or if it tastes really good. So this is chicken tenders that are made with sour cream and onion chips. And one thing I changed from what I saw was I'm not doing up fried onions and, you know, throwing in some sugar to brown them, because I'm not a real onion person unless it's onion rings, and they better be from like A&W or, you know, somewhere that I like. Anyways, so we got a 20-minute cooking time. Cut up a couple of breasts. Probably went a little overkill, but hey, if you're hungry, eat them. If you're not, nuke what's left over. So you're going to need an egg wash with a couple of eggs. I threw in 3 altogether, even though we do have a recipe that says 2. And it's like, yeah, I got a lot of chicken. Anyway, so you're going to have to get like a mallet or something, because you're going to want to crush these chips up, obviously, right? You don't want to squash them up like crackers. You need them, you know, kind of like this sort of thing going on, right? And grab yourself a piece of chicken, put her in the egg wash, and then throw her in there and do her up. And what we're going to need to do, I need a plate actually, so this way in case anything goes drippy on me. And we're going to pop that sucker on there. Some of these are going to be a little smaller than others, but no big deal. Now you can actually crush up your whole bag of chips if you wanted to and just kind of throw them in, shake them around, and I mean, that's acceptable, you know, nothing wrong with that. But I wanted to have some of the chips to myself, and I kind of figured, you know, I'm probably not going to need all of this anyway. But you never know, if I need extra, the bag is still out on the counter, so no biggie there. So this ought to be an interesting recipe, considering, hey, I haven't cooked in a long time, but, you know, also, never tried this before. I love sour cream and onion chips, so they're really good. So, anyways, the timer is set for 20 minutes, and at 10 minutes, of course, I'm going to have to rotate these. Now, these are also, by the way, done in an air fryer, which we happen to have out on the counter here, obviously. So, but I mean, you could probably just do them in the oven if you wanted to, I suppose. I don't know how they would work out, but I like air fried food. So, alright. We might actually need more chippies yet. I don't know. Keep going for the wrong container first. Oh yeah, and always wash your hands before you cook. Don't be gross. And I think maybe... Whoop! Wrong way. Get off! Alright, so I'm going to just finish up this last tray myself off camera. Then we'll come back and we'll shove them in, or I don't know, maybe we'll just... Yeah, we'll do that. Ooh, looks like I'm going to have to put some more chips in. So I'm going off camera anyways. Let's see if we can get this little guy in here. Okay, that's number 1. Whoopsies. Throw that in the fryer. That's number 1 in place. Okay, so you guys know all this junk's instant for you, so we'll be right back. Okay guys, we got them all in, and I actually get about, I think, 5 chips to eat and a couple of crumbs, but the wife said she'd go out and get me another bag of chips, so I'm all good there. So, whatever you got left, hey, bottoms up. No, just kidding.
Yeah.
That's gross.
Yes.
Anyways, so let's put this puppy in.
Turn it to air fry.
I got to do something with this machine. This is her machine. I don't know how to use it.
Ugh.
Cancel?
Yeah.
Nope.
confused.
We confused it.
All right. Now let's restart.
All right.
Put it on air fry. Push the button. This is a Pampered Chef air fryer.
So 20 minutes. Press the start button.
400 Fahrenheit on the air fryer.
So that's going to go for 10 minutes. So while that's going, I guess I got a little bit of a mess to clean up. And once this is all cooked, of course, we'll spread her out on the counter and you'll see what else we're having with our dinner and, you know, all that sort of jazz. You get the idea. All right, instant for you, though. Don't go away. Come on. Okay, guys, it looks like dinner is served. Now, the question is, what do these things taste like? That's a small one. All right, let's see what they taste like.
Mmm. Crunchy. Cooked.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
That's good.
That is really good. I like them.
Wow.
New house recipe.
Cooking with Kevy, man.
Uh-huh. Guys, please make this video viral so he keeps cooking.
Yeah. She keeps bugging me to cook, but, you know. I did all of her dishes, too.
Yes, yes, he
And
did.
as I was cooking, I was doing dishes, so won't be much cleanup for her later. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. We got to go eat our chow now before it gets cold, so see you on the next one.